Hey guys, Thunder E here, and today I'm checking out the brand new Jabra 85T True Wireless Buds. Now I want to thank Jabra for sending them over and sponsoring this video. I'm really excited about these earbuds because they give us a very different approach to what True Wireless Buds are. Now, if you guys have noticed, I'm actually wearing them right now and I'm using them while doing this video because of a couple of things. It's got active noise cancellation and it's also got a pass-through feature that is pretty good, so I can actually have them in my ears and still have this conversation with you. But let's dive into what the 85Ts are really about. So these are premium true wireless earbuds from Jabra, and they pack in some very great features. So let's start off with just the internals. Drivers, 12mm drivers, so much bigger drivers than you'd expect. They've also got 6 microphones around, so you've got solid active noise cancellation as well as also some really clear mics for conversation. Now you would think it should be larger in size, but the footprint is still similar to what you have with the 75T, so it's not protruding. It's a really nice fit and feel. I think overall you would like the design. I think a lot of people also like the fit as well, and I think the simplicity of the approach that Jabra takes really talks about what they're trying to do with this, looking at sound quality and also functionality as well. Now the case itself is a simple black case, which of course you can use to recharge your true wireless buds. With the case, with noise cancellation off, you get 24 hours and 7 hours of playbacks on the earbuds. With ANC on, you get about 5.5 hours of playback on the earbuds and 19.5 hours with the case. Now the case also has Qi wireless charging, which is great, and also supports USB Type-C charging as well. So you've got all those things come into play. Now, the next thing you guys are going to ask is, what about audio quality? How well do they sound? What's the approach that Jabra is taking here? So it's really clean. It's one of those things where I have to commend them for their break-in sound stage. You can hear the separation between your highs, your mids, and the lows. And the earphone design is actually an open back design. Yes, you heard me well. And I didn't mention it earlier. I wanted to mention it now while talking about the audio, and we move to active noise cancellation because it really lets in that idea of you listening to the music fully. So it doesn't feel like it's a closed space where everything is locked in. And this also aids as well when you're listening to just different types of track. You can really hear the separations all the way through. Now, when it comes to the active noise cancellation with this open back design, it's just really solid. You've got the ability to go through different levels of active noise cancellation, and they also determine, say, your location. So maybe if you're on public transportation, if you're in focus mode, maybe you want to work quietly, you've got those settings in there, especially within the application, or you can actually toggle through on your earbuds directly. Now the app is really rich and robust, allowing you to customize your active noise cancellation, the pass-through, or even turn it off. You do also have an EQ setting where you can customize the EQs the way you like, or go through some EQ presets on the app. So I do like those capabilities there. But one of the things I really love is the soundscape. I know it's basically just pink noise, but I find it quite soothing, and also I've actually fallen asleep with these earbuds on. That's how comfortable they are. Now, you can of course create your own sound stage particularly, and it is great to see what they've done here with the application, the kind of things you get with the software updates. Now, speaking of software updates, there is an update on the 75T that allows for noise cancellation via Bluetooth. And now this is done and built on Qualcomm's Bluetooth Premium SoC, which both the 85T and 75T are both using. And the fact that they were able to do that update on the 75T to give you active noise cancellation, where you can set it up, you can actually go through the process to actually get the variance that fits you best, is truly amazing and brings added functionality to a great pair of buds like the 75T, and really takes that a long way. Now, moving back to the 85T, another thing that I have to mention that actually is really solid, of course, is the microphone. And I could explain and tell you more, but I'll just let you listen to a quick mic sample and then we'll continue. Okay, guys, this is a quick mic sample of the Jabra 85T how well they sound while talking indoors. It's been raining all day, so I couldn't really go outside. But you get an idea of how well the microphones actually pick up during conversation and sound pretty good. So the microphone's pretty solid. I think overall, you find that the combination of features in the 85T has really brought something truly unique with what Jabra has created here. The microphone, the active noise cancelling, which doesn't impair on your listening. It really doesn't crowd the sound space. You can hear things clearly, doesn't feel like it's crushed. Plus the really solid separation between your highs, your mids and lows. Great battery life. I think you've got something that is a true winner here from Jabra. And also just the fact that they can do more things with software updates, as we've seen with the 75T, bodes really well for these pair of headphones. Now, if you guys are interested in picking a pair up, definitely use the link down below, and I have a special code that you guys can use to pick it up, especially during the holiday season, which is a great time to pick up a good pair of true wireless buds. Whether you're working at home, or you just want some quiet, or you want to enjoy the music that you love quite well, then these are a really solid pair to check out. This is Thunder E saying thank you very much, and always enjoy your entertainment.